Hello people, this is Lawrence. This is what Lawrence looks like the day after the blizzard hit. Day after the blizzard. About 6 inches of snow, it looks like, fell here. There's ice everywhere. In fact, some people have already slipped because of this ice. And this storm has passed. See, there's snow all the way around here. Way up there too. About 6 inches of snow. Yes, about 6 inches.
No, you can take a look through here.
Yeah, there is currently about 6 inches of snow that fell. Let's see. People can make up the hill now, but some slid yesterday. Going down the hill, it slid a little bit.